Now that we've trained our clustering model, it's time for inference so we can make accurate predictions. So let me show you how to do it using aicuflow. So once again, we start by creating a new flow. And this time there's just one change. So in the node library, head over to the template section and select the AI Inference Flow. Click on Create. Now expand on the Select Train model and make sure to select the artifacts that were generated during the training of your model. Save your selection and move over to the API input node. Switch to the Test Data tab. Here you have to paste your test data that was also generated in your training. I'm going to go ahead and do that. You can validate it against the schema. Once it's correct, you can save it. The next step is to use AI model. Here you have to select your category. I'm going to go with tabular, and the subcategory is clustering. Now in the model section, you can select whichever one fits your needs the best. I'm going to go with bisecting k-means and save. All that's left to do is run our flow. You can see the live progress right here. And there you go, your inference is complete. You can preview your output. And as a last step, I'll show you how to deploy this in the next video. Feel free to check out our documentation or contact aicuflow for any further questions. Thanks for watching.